During the Galaxy Unpacked event later this month, Samsung will formally introduce the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5, the company has revealed. New cameras and display technologies are said to be included in the new high-end foldable gadgets, and they'll also purportedly address some of the most common problems we previously encountered with them. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is described below, as much as we know. Here is a full summary of the features we anticipate the next premium flagship will have, along with the pricing, availability, specs, display, camera, and battery information we currently have. We gathered all of the leaks and rumors into one location for your convenience. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will allegedly have virtually comparable dimensions and a nearly identical appearance to the Galaxy Z Fold 4 from the previous year. In addition to the new hinge mechanism, there are also rumors that Samsung may adopt a water drop-shaped hinge design that will allow the device to finally seal entirely shut and eliminate the requirement for a gap in the center of the device when folded. The same screens and the same camera with an island on the back and 3 sensors will supposedly be found on the Fold 5. The 2023 flagship is very probably going to bring back the dual speaker arrangement, and the device will maintain the fingerprint sensor power button and volume rocker on the right side. Unfortunately, the Fold 5 won't have a separate S Pen slot, thus the stylus will probably come with the flagship in a case made by a different firm, perhaps Samsung. The new flagship will be able to endure water and keep its IPX8 water-resistant certification. The 6.2-inch cover display and 7.6-inch primary screen that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will purportedly have on both the inside and outside hint that Samsung will maintain the aspect ratio without enlarging the width. While the size might stay the same this year, the news may be disappointing for those hoping for a wider and shorter display on the 2023 flagship. Fortunately, there is some good news. Samsung is rumored to use a new water drop-shaped hinge mechanism that could draw attention to the craze list. The redesigned hinge might assist in making the device slimmer and eventually gapless, without making the crease go away or become less visible. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.